Hey guys, so I was making some cards this week and I came to the conclusion that I really needed a new heat gun. I have the Ranger heated tool and it never really has worked the way it should. It takes forever to heat up and it still sometimes doesn't melt the embossing powder like it should. So I have been doing very little embossing because of it. And I really love the look of embossing, and it's really helpful when you're doing watercoloring of stamped images. So I went to Jennifer McGuire's channel to see what she recommended, and then went to Amazon and purchased this. It's the Wagner HT400 Precision Heat Tool, and apparently they manufacture for Hero Arts as well. I'm not sure. And today I'm going to do a test run and a comparison with the Ranger, and hopefully it will be a lot better and I'll be doing more embossing soon. So anyway, let me get this out of the box and I will be right back. So here I am trying to be all scientific with my experiment by setting my stopwatch. I turn my Ranger heat tool on to heat up. I apply anti-static powder to my piece of cardstock. I stamp my image with Versamark ink. I apply white embossing powder. Remove the excess. And sorry I'm a little off camera here, but I have the heat tool on the image. And right away I can tell it's just not working the way it should. I can't even tell if it's melting. It's not getting that shine like it should, like when the embossing powder usually melts. And I can't really tell if it's working or not. That's why I keep it on there so long. And I'll proceed with this for a while. Sometimes I have to keep it right on the image to try to get it to do anything. I'm rubbing it to see if it's actually worked because I can't tell. See the time there. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the Wagner heat tool. Reset my stopwatch. Turn the heat tool on. Use my anti-static powder. Stamp the image with Versamark ink. Apply embossing powder. Tap off the excess. And I've also come to the conclusion that I need new tweezers. But right away here, I can tell that the embossing powder is starting to melt. It's amazing. I love it. I'm trying to show here the difference because you can see the difference. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera or not, but the one with the Ranger heat tool is not shiny at all. My first impressions of this heat tool, I'm in love. And I can't wait to play some more with it. I'm still working on my first 10 cards, 1 kit from the Simon Says Stamp January 2018 card kit, and hope to have part 1 of that up in the next couple days. And I also need to make a birthday card and an anniversary card, so I'm going to be busy. I think everything's taking me a little bit longer than perhaps it will in the future, just because I'm learning all this. It's all new to me, the editing, the voiceovers, all that stuff. So hopefully I'll get quicker at producing videos. But anyway, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Please like if you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful. And leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And I will hopefully see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.